What time is it? I'm about to tell you guys in a second because I got my first Watch Gang box. I'm really excited to open it. This is exciting. So, guys, if it's your first time on my channel, I'm Lee. Welcome to Lee Style and Fragrance. Here, I teach various topics like men's style, fragrance, little bit of grooming. I do some vlogs every once in a while, and I also throw a dash of confidence at you. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You guys are the best, LSF fam, but you already know this. If any of these things appeal to you, make sure you hit that sub button and don't forget to hit that notification. So every time I drop something, you guys will be first in line. Before I get into my video, I always talk about what fragrance I'm wearing today. And today I am wearing Vetiver Fatal by Atelier. My goodness. The compliments I received off this bad boy. I'm buying it tomorrow. I just went and sampled it and I absolutely love it. Getting it tomorrow for sure. So today, like I said before, Watch Gang. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's get to it. Honestly, I just want something with gold would be nice. Leather band would be really nice too. Ooh, Elevon. I already like this box. I already like it. I feel like it's gonna be something good. What do we got in here? I guess it's a little flyer about Watch Gang. And this says Father's Day edition. And ooh, got a cool poster with the watches all over it. And I guess it tells you how the company started and blah blah blah. And is this a coupon? $20 off. Oh, I'm definitely using this one, guys. Definitely using it. Alright, let's see what we got here. Leather band, gold. Come on, let's see. Ooh. Well, it's not leather band. It's not gold. But this looks really nice, guys. So all I gotta do is get this bad boy, get the links taken off so it can fit me properly. But I like it. I just wanted different stuff in my collection, stuff that I don't have too many of. This is unique. I like it. First Watch Gang watch, guys. I mean, and this is the lowest subscription. So with shipping and handling, it came out to be like 44 or 45 bucks. Not bad. Not bad. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Please leave a like, leave a comment. Tell me if you guys have tried any subscription boxes. This is actually my first one, and I'm looking forward to it because I love watches, and I'm not paying retail prices for them. Why not take advantage of that? Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. I will see you guys next time. Peace.